Hello YouTube, the iPad fan back here, and so today I'm going to be unboxing this iPad Smart Keyboard for the iPad 7 from 8th Gen. Now this is not Bluetooth at all, so without further ado, let's get to it. This is something I got for Christmas. So as you can tell, I've got the Design by Apple in California thing when you first open the box right here. And then I believe if we go ahead and take this off, we should have our actual Smart Keyboard. So now we're just going to take the wrapper off of this. Now, as you can tell, I'm going to go ahead and take off the case for my actual iPad 7th Gen. Now keep in mind that this isn't fully protective, first just protects the front. As you can tell, it just snaps right like that. Looks like it folds out for the keyboard. And as you can tell right here, we have the actual keyboard now. Sorry, I had to get the actual iPad situated, so now I'm just going to go open up a Pages document. Test out the typing, so as you can tell, whoa, it feels different. It actually, and kind of nice actually. You should totally like, subscribe, and share. And now this isn't Bluetooth at all, so if I disconnect it right here, as you can tell, it's going to come up with the on-screen keyboard again. However, the moment it gets connected, bam. So, thank you guys for watching. Please follow my socials, and all those links will be in the description. Merry Christmas, everybody, and peace out.